Sunny day. It's October 1st. It's starting with fall now. Iba na yung mga changes of leaves. It's gonna be fall. Then after winter na. Leaves, nag-iiba na yung leaves niya. It's turning yellow now. All the leaves.